life is a balance of holding on and letting go. The truth is, no one will ever prioritize your health the way you need to, not your partner. As women, we carry so much mentally, emotionally, physically, and spiritually. We give our time, energy, love to everyone around us, often leaving little for ourselves. But protecting and strengthening our own well-being is just as important. That's why today I'm sharing 5 things healthy women do. Simple, powerful habits that help us stay grounded, balanced, and thriving. If you're new here, salam and hello. My name is Khadija. I am a licensed pharmacist based in the United States. And on my channel, I discuss topics related to health, wellness, and spirituality. So let's dive in. First on the list, healthy women prioritize themselves. The poet Rumi once said, "Life is a balance of holding on and letting go." The truth is, no one will ever prioritize your health the way you need to. Not your partner, not your boss, not your parents. They are all focused on their own lives. And I had to learn this the hard way actually. Healthy women take stock of their responsibilities and then figure out what's truly vital for their survival and well-being. Caretaking and work won't disappear. That is a fact, and I understand that. But you can learn to eliminate, delegate, reorganize responsibility so your own health doesn't get pushed aside. Second on the list, healthy women pamper themselves. This doesn't always mean a spa day or a luxurious bath, though it could include those things, mind you. Pampering can be as simple as taking time out of your day for stretching or just for enjoying a peaceful moment to yourself, going out for a walk, doing something creative or artistic, or it might even look like starting a new workout routine to feel stronger and more connected to your body. Ideally, you want to promote a sense of self-care that can alleviate stress and boost your mood. And in this video here, or rather in this playlist here, there's some tips and tricks for you to do this. Now, third on the list, healthy women plan ahead. Plan a day, a week, or even a year in advance, whether it's meals or fitness goals or financial steps like paying down debt. And here's a tip. Sometimes it's best to keep your plans that you are making to yourself. Too often we share and then get discouraged when others don't see the value in what we're doing. They don't believe in us. Healthy women move in silence. They focus and they let their results speak for themselves. When necessary, they reach out and connect with like-minded people who are interested in progress and success as they are. Now, this may take some time and discernment to get used to and to figure out, but overall, planning is key for better health and wellness. Now, fourth on the list, healthy women learn to say no. Sometimes no is the healthiest word you can say. If something doesn't align with your priorities or your goals, it's okay to pass. Maybe you set out a nutrition plan for yourself for the week, and an outing with your friends or family could throw you off. Saying no now doesn't mean saying no forever. It just means you are protecting your progress. With time and practice, you'll see that planning priorities and discipline are your allies. And fifth on the list, healthy women know when to pivot. This is a tough one, especially for your mental health. There are times when we really want something or we are working towards something, but we are not quite there yet. And it can be defeating, when this happens. You might be thinking to yourself, when am I going to get what I'm looking for? When am I going to get what I'm searching for, what I'm striving for? For example, I've been lifting heavy weights or heavier weights for almost 2 years to not only recomp, so that is to lose fat and build muscle, but to also improve my overall health while Lifting heavy weights has helped me get stronger. It has not been injury free. It hasn't been an injury free zone for me. So I realized I needed to pivot. So now I'm adding in more stretching, more flow movements, more calisthenics, which I'm excited to start, to be sincere with you. Yes, strength training is important for women like me, for women overall, especially for women in their 40s and beyond, but it's not a one size fits all. Sometimes pivoting means finding new ways to stay strong while also protecting your body. And don't forget, nutrition really is key. Positive eating habits will carry us into our later years, even more than working out alone. And also, pivoting in your relationships and career are big ones, and I want to get into that, but perhaps in a future video I'll dig into that a little bit more. I would love to hear your thoughts on this topic, and I would also love for you to check out a few of my other videos and playlists on similar topics. So please check out this information when you have a chance. I do thank you for watching, and I shall see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.